And the Junction City Police Department had fire suppression devices installed in all 14 of their patrol cars today to help keep those officers and canines safe. KZI 9 News reporter Madison Glassman got a look at these devices. She spoke with the manufacturer, who says the Junction City Police Department is the first in the country to install them.
Devices like this have been installed in 4 places throughout the car. It activates in seconds and could have the fire out in a millisecond. That is how quickly this device works. The system is temperature sensitive. Once it reaches 350 degrees, it's activated. The device is made by a Florida-based company called Proteng. The president of the company, Dusan Mali, says he originally created the system for race cars, but says they can be used in any vehicle. He created this device to keep people and even pets safe. These are installed in 14 patrol cars, which Mali says cost about $8,000. Junction City Police Chief Robert Morris said the department has never experienced a vehicle fire, but says it can happen if there's an electrical failure or a crash. He discovered this device on Saturday, and just hours later, he made the decision to have them installed.
I can assure you every patrol car from this point forward in Junction City will employ this fire protection system for the safety of our officers.
Morris says he hopes more police departments across the state of Oregon and the U.S. look into installing these types of devices. Reporting in Junction City, Madison Glassman, KEZI 9 News.